Deer ticks are parasites that feed on the blood of various animals at different stages in their life cycle. Illustrated here is an adult female deer tick questing on a blade of grass, waiting for a potential host to come by. Shown here is the life and feeding cycle of deer ticks. When the larvae hatch from the eggs, they are uninfected. They are active in late summer when they feed on small animals such as the white-footed mouse. This is when the larva can become infected with the Lyme disease-causing bacteria. The white-footed mouse is considered a reservoir because they contain the Lyme disease-causing bacteria known as Borrelia burgdorferi, and they provide a continuous source of infection for the larvae that feed on them. Once the larvae become infected and grow, they develop into eight-legged nymphs. Infected nymphs are vectors of Borrelia burgdorferi because they can transmit the bacteria from one host to another. When a tick bites and feeds on an infected mouse and carries with it the bacteria, it can then infect other hosts such as deer and human. While nymphs typically feed in the spring and summer on birds, squirrels, cats, dogs, and humans, the adult ticks are active in the fall when they mainly feed and mate on deer. Once the female lays eggs, the cycle starts all over again. It's important to understand the life cycle of the deer tick because certain hosts are more susceptible at particular stages of the tick's life. While larvae feed on small animals such as the white-footed mouse, nymphs typically feed on cats, dogs, and humans. Adults primarily feed on deer but can also feed on humans. Any prevention efforts to reduce the risk of Lyme disease would have to consider when people are most susceptible. While ticks can remain active all year long, so long as the temperature remains above freezing, people are most susceptible during the late spring, summer, and into early fall.